Hi there, welcome to our channel. So right now OnePlus 8 Pro provides one of the best Android experience with its powerful specs, an amazing display, fast wireless charging and water resistance. And while OnePlus 9 Pro is definitely gonna provide so much more, the vanilla OnePlus 9 is also said to be similar or in some instances prove to be better than the OnePlus 8 Pro. So without waiting anymore, let's dive in and check out the specs of the vanilla OnePlus 9. This phone will come with at least a 6.55-inch OLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and 1080p resolution. This is like a sweet spot to provide content with excellent detail and also save battery. The display will be flat with a punch hole cutout, which according to us is great. A curved edge display greatly enhances the aesthetics of the smartphone but poses few problems. Anyways, all that comes to personal preference. The most exciting part is that the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro will come with Snapdragon 888 chipset. Qualcomm claims that the Snapdragon 888 performs 25% better while using 25% less power compared to its predecessor, the Snapdragon 865. For the GPU, Qualcomm is using its new Adreno 660 GPU, which it says offers 35% faster graphics rendering performance while using 20% less power. The chipset will also be the first Snapdragon to come with 3 individual ISPs. That means photography will be insanely better with this chipset. Also, OnePlus CEO hints at better cameras in OnePlus 9 series. The rumor suggests that there will be triple rear cameras in OnePlus 9, but there are no confirmed details about the camera system yet. Another great news about OnePlus 9 series is that it will support wireless charging. That means not only the Pro model has wireless charging, even the vanilla model gets it. The battery capacity is rumored to be 4500 mAh with 65W fast wired charging. Here, they may use dual battery mechanism similar to OnePlus 8T. So from whatever is known, it looks like OnePlus 9 is turning out to be an excellent device. It has lot of similarities to OnePlus 9 Pro, at least the much needed bits. But everyone is waiting for more information to come into the market and we will provide it to you. All you have to do is subscribe. Finally, about its launch, OnePlus officially says the OnePlus 9 series will launch in first quarter of next year, and according to leaks, it will be sometime in the month of March. And yeah, these phones will be expensive compared to previous models, especially because of the latest processor and upgrades. So that is all for today. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.